Hello everyone, and welcome to day 10 of Vlogust. It's finally a day that's not super disgustingly hot, so I'm able to take a walk in the park. And it's very calm and peaceful here. There's nobody here. I wonder why nobody's here, because it's Friday and you think that people would take off or something and, I don't know, be in the park, because it's usually more crowded than this. But it's a beautiful day, so I'm going to take a nice walk for some exercise. And I haven't decided what we're going to make for dinner yet today, but I do want to go to the dollar store because I want to buy, I don't know, just some cute napkins and things like that, you know, at the dollar store. Sometimes I like to dress the table up and just make it look more appealing. I think it's important to set a nice table when you eat instead of just trying to eat on the run or just eating on your plain old dishes all the time. And sometimes little things like pretty napkins with nice sayings on them or with like little flowers or something on them just really help to brighten up a table. And you know, sometimes when you're in the dollar store you end up spending more money than you think because you find cute glasses and you find cute dishes and you know, so I don't know, we'll see what they have. So I hope you enjoy the day with me today. Come along. Talking about just cute little glasses. Like these are just plastic outdoor glasses with a little tiki theme. Just little things to dress up your table. See, here's the little party napkin section. And just look how cute. Look at this. Just interesting. Oh, I actually have these at home. Something like that. I don't know if there's a peacock. Or wireless. Just very cute. I think I'm gonna get this one. Look at this, it's a cute little set. How cute is that? You wanna make tapas or something like that? I think this is coming home with me. Little Spanish appetizers. Some cute placemats too. We'll make a nice table. There's some cute ones at home already. You know, for only $1, you can just really mix up your table. I mean, look how cute this is. You know? It's heavy. But, you know, you can buy 2 of them for, you know, just to set your table, or just get some nice colored bowls. I mean, I know it's the dollar store and when they break they shatter into a million pieces, but I like to buy these white plates because the food looks really good on the background of them. Cute. They're glass too, not plastic. I don't need them, but it's nice to know that there's pretty things in here. It's actually a really nice bowl. Browning this chicken, and then we're going to add a little chicken stock, some shallots, and some spice, and then it's going to go in the oven for a little bit. Putting on a little oregano and some black pepper. Salt, pepper, oregano to match the chicken, and a tiny bit of white wine. This is going to go over the polenta. you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's food and our little excursion through the dollar store together. So go out and buy some cute napkins or maybe a nice mug or something to wake up your routine and make your meals just a little happier and a little more colorful. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to know exactly when my videos go live. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.